Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss about what is industrial design. Industrial design is a process of design applied to physical products that are to be manufactured by mass production. It is creative act of determining and defining a product's form and features which takes place in advance of the manufacturer or production of the product. It consists purely of repeated, often automated replication, while craft-based design is a process or approach in which the form of the product is determined by the product's creator, largely concurrent with the act of its production. All manufactured products are the result of design process, but the nature of this process can vary. It can be conducted by an individual or a team, and such a team could include people with varied expertise, example designers, engineers, business experts, etc. It can be emphasized intuitive creativity or calculated scientific design making and often emphasizes a mix of both. It can be influenced by factors as varied as materials production process, business strategy, and prevailing social, commercial, or aesthetic attitudes. Industrial design is a process of design applied to physical products that are to be manufactured by mass production. It is the creative act of determining and defining a product's form and features which takes place in advance of the manufacture or production of the product. Difference between industrial design and architecture. Industrial designers ever wonder how design the look of your new game console or school binder? Industrial designers are like artists in that they must think about the visual appeal of the design even as they consider the practicality of the things they are creating. This is why it is important for them to work with marketing professionals to research the demand for certain products. They not only want to make something we all want to buy, they also want it to be cost effective to produce. Sometimes industrial designers also try to make existing products more aesthetically interesting and user-friendly. Job responsibilities of an industrial designer include meeting with clients to assist in developing new products or improving old ones, sketching out ideas that both fit the needs of the client and are safe to use, researching similar products to ensure new products with fill a niche not already filled by a competing product, creating a prototype out of materials and colors they feel are best for the product. Architects behind every creative building design is an architect who created it. This professional meets with clients to ensure a design fits their needs while also meeting code requirements for safety. As a result, architects must consider more than just the look of the building but also what will be used for. During or shortly after the meeting, architects develop scale drawing of the exterior and or interior of the building. They may also design more than one building at a time, creating plans for gated communities or other types of building complexes. Job responsibilities of an architect include giving clients an estimate for the cost and time of build. Second, providing the building specification including the space, land and materials dedicated to the build. Different types of industrial design. First, iterative prototyping. Iterative prototyping involves creating a prototype from the product design, testing it for usability and functionality, and then revising what didn't work. After testing has concluded, the research team will design a new iteration and manufacture it for testing. The old iteration is then thrown out for set aside. Iterative prototyping is practical and allows for quick identification of challenging design problems but can be expensive and wasteful depending on the number of iterations required. Parallel prototyping, on the other hand, parallel prototyping is a concept based method where several design concepts are compared concurrently. Multiple designs are drafted and then compared to find the best versions before a physical prototype is manufactured. This method promotes creativity and conceptual identification. Parallel prototyping can be expensive due to large number of contribution factors. What are the characteristics of modern industrial design? The term industrial design is a very broad one that encompasses a wide range of subgroups which give the term of meaning that may be derived from the particular subgroup under consideration. For instance, the term encompasses areas like product design, automobile design, and plant design, among other areas. In a general sense, industrial design is a mixture of the application of scientific knowledge and creative skills with the aim of arriving at unique design concepts. As such, the characteristics of modern industrial design are determined by the particular subgroup of industrial design as well as other factors such as geographical area and the taste of people at that particular point in time. Another factor that influences the characteristic of modern industrial design is the level of technological development and to the design of the product.